All right, so today just going to do a quick install on this, which is a Radiant Cycles Shorty GP. This came off an S40 Suzuki Boulevard that we had before. I'm going to be installing this today on Dad's 2022 Rebel 500. I'll just get some measurements for you guys on this really quick. Because I don't know, I'm sure they make one specifically for this, but that for you there. Okay, just in case you have one lying around. These things are pretty cheap, but they work well. I've had one on other bikes as well. All right, let's do the install. All right, so I've just gathered up the tools. We have 6mm hex here, here, and here. 12mm socket for here, and I think there's a 10 that goes on the back. No, it's also a 12. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just do a real-time install because this is realistically only going to take me, I think, I say that now. It should only take me a minute or so. Twist down, it pops off, just like that. Okay, off to the side. And I said 6mm here, but that's only if you don't intend to have pastures. I'm going to take mine off because I've already taken off the other side. But anyways, it's just, if you're not going to have pastures, why have them on? It's just extra weight. Not a lot, but still extra. Just going to put these back in so I don't lose them. I'm just trying to think. It's probably orientation-wise probably best to have it there to somewhere there. Let's do that. Or that. I don't know if it matters a whole heck of a lot. All right. Just want this one a bit hidden away. Good. Okay. That's it. Well, pretty straightforward. So I recorded a quick cold start before, or I guess maybe it wasn't a cold start, but it was a running video just for sound, and I'll repeat it with the Shorty on there as well. I'll turn it off. All right, let's fire it up, see how it sounds. Well, it sounds way better. It's not obnoxiously loud. You can hear me talking, that's a good sign. I'll let it warm up here, and then we'll give it a few braps and call it a day. That sounds mean. All right, good enough, get one. So I had a chance to quickly listen to how it sounded after the fact. And I just want to point out that when I'm recording with this iPhone, it doesn't pick up the deep, I guess the deep tones, the deep bass to the exhaust. But in person, I can assure you it sounds a lot more deep and a lot more throaty. So anyways, thought I'd just point that out just because it wasn't picking up on camera. So it does look a lot more clean once we have the rear foot pegs removed, because this doesn't, this Shorty doesn't require any additional mounting. It just pops on and away you go. So I got the other side off there as well. So it certainly tidies up the rear. And it's still technically winterish out here, so I had the battery tender on it, which I think comes stock, if you guys didn't know that, under your seat. Cool. All right.